an old lady, a male, female, and 2 children.
Someone is surely here, not human though. The voice came from here.
We are the intruders here. आवाज नहीं है?
Papoy?
यहाँ पे
Yeah.
विंडो पे
Like something is forward on that wall.
So do you mean, did you mean to say that the grandfather is also here along with the 5 of you?
Oh, this is my grandfather's room, probably.
Or this is your grandfather's room? Because we mentioned 5 people, the grandmother,
Yeah.
parents and kids.
It so much feels
Use me
like
to-
a human
Use me to-
presence.
Shower.
सॉरी शवल है
Shovel and surgeon.
Surgeon.
Both are like it's like both are connected anyway. I think, but a surgeon doesn't use a shovel.
ही कैन
Does he?
No, shower.
Shovels are the big ones.
आई नो यू नेवर नो द पर्पस
Not our kind of surgeon, but like our kind of surgeon.
Okay. Where?
सर्जन
Surgeon. Surgeon, I mean doctor surgeon.
Yeah.
यस
वो word आया है.
Surgeon. You can that click. Yeah.
गिरा ऊपर से कुछ. नहीं पहले सब खट करके आवाज आई and then I saw some.
Are we talking to a surgeon here? Are you a doctor? Surgeon here?
If it is trying to pull our attention to this side, no?
हाँ.
You won't believe there is a water well over there.
Yeah.
It's a superb water well. I saw that it wasn't too inviting to be. Just go over there. Just see it down the window. Did it get okay? Yeah.
Oh.
He's doing something here. Like he's trying to say something.
Oh. और यहीं से आ रहा है.
यहीं से सब आवाजें आ रही हैं. From that side to see.
Focus here.
Are you trying to draw attention towards the well? I got a spike. Are you trying to draw our attention towards the well?
Yeah.
व्हाई
Huh? Axe?
Axe.
Yeah, it's
शवल एक्स
Max.
हाँ, ये सारी इसकी
वो the blink.
I guess we go inside that room. Closer to the well. Behind this.
हाँ.
अभी आवाज आई. अभी आवाज आई. अब जाए धड़ करके. क्योंकि इसमें फोन में भी डिटेक्ट किया वो धड़ने है उसका. Constantly आवाज आ रही है. Constantly आवाज आ रही है.
Okay, whom are we talking to? Can you please confirm? Because we are continuously getting words. Axe, shovel. And there are sounds around us. Oh,
वेरी एविडेंट
that was a big one. Oh.
वेरी एविडेंट यस
There's no construction going on ना आस पास.
नहीं कुछ नहीं है. Are you speaking to the grandpa? Or are you speaking to one of the children? If it's the grandpa, can you give us 1 spike? And if it's the children, can you give us 2 spikes?
Shiva, give the camera.
टू
2
स्पाइक्स
spikes.
सॉरी
So we are speaking to the children.
If it is difficult for you to manifest and give us a sign on any of the devices, can you make anything that is easier for you but still will help us in understanding that you are helping us in communicating? anything that you can do. Can be a sound, can be a thump, can be a bang, anything.
We're hearing a lot of sounds already.
If I get a sound in the next 10 seconds, I know that it is you and you're ready to communicate. Alright? I'll count from 1 to 10 in my mind and you will know it.
Hey, spike.
Thank you for the spike, but I need a sound in the next 10 seconds. I'll count from my mind and you'll know it. As you know, as I know, as everyone knows that you understand everything telepathically, right? Yeah. So I'll start the countdown from now.
No, I didn't know. No, I didn't know. नहीं यार मैं तब से नो आई डिडंट इवन मूव माय पैर यहाँ से आवाज है such a clear sound.
There's nobody out.
ऑडिबल मतलब ऐसा है कि ऑडिबल डिस्टेंस पे लोग खड़े बात भी कर रहे हैं
ऐसा
और
लगा
विंडो पे खड़े कोई बटन तो तेज तो नहीं
Audible distance. I don't know what. सेंसर है कि trying to split us or something. हमेशा यहाँ जाओ तुम वहाँ जाओ तुम यहाँ देखो.
I just do that thing one more time.
I clearly heard the sound.
कोई move नहीं कर रहा. So if you did that chipping noise, it was pretty much inaudible and it's not something that we can easily conclude to be yours. We'll do one more thing. I'll count again from 1 to 10, 1 to 15 this time, and try anything under your ability, capacity to make a sound, make a noise, make a bang, make a thumping noise, anything that you can do to make us feel your presence, and that will also come from your agreement to communicate with us. Yeah, I start counting in my mind and you will know it like you did a couple of minutes ago. Starts now.
वहाँ पर पूरा हो जाता है.
Back.
However it was, it is back. Thank you so much. We are asking you to make a noise. Can you do that? Please try. A bit louder, a bit louder. Are you a male or female that we are communicating with? It's a male. Can we get 2 spikes? Male.
Face by that.
नहीं टक टक हो मेरे सामने हो.
Ask again. Hey, what was that
Someone is
sound?
walking. No. Someone is walking.
Hey, what was that
Someone is
sound?
walking.
Hey, what was that
Someone is
sound?
walking.
Hey, what was that
Someone is
sound?
walking. Watching. It said watching.
Watching. You are watching us?
Are you watching us or someone else is watching us? Was it the surgeon who killed and tortured?
Was the well used to dump bodies?
Did you mean psycho?
Experimenting on people who were having psychic abilities.